Hello, good morning. So today, the main topic of this presentation that I will be going to discuss in this video is the main components of IWAY. And before that, you should understand first what is IWAY. It is the global information and communications network that includes the internet and other networks and switching systems such as telephone networks, cable television networks, and satellite communication networks used for e-commerce and many more other purposes. So, the main components of IWAY consist of various components which are broadly classified as network access equipment and access media or local on-ramps. Next is global information distribution network. So, under network access equipment, you can see so many factors like consumer or business premises equipment. And on local on-ramps, you can see the telecom-based infrastructure, cable TV-based infrastructure, wireless infrastructures, and commercial online infrastructure. And global information distribution networks, you can see it's like satellite networks and all those things. So, we'll see all these components in details. Network access equipment is the first component which is at the consumer and enables the consumer to access the network. So, always this network access equipment is in the consumer end. So, it's very easy for a consumer to access the network. This equipment will make the consumer easy to access the network. It consists of hardware such as computer-based telephone, set-top boxes, digital switches, and routers. So, if you see, by using a set-top box, it will help you to watch television, you can access many channels, and you can subscribe to many channels. So, this is one equipment which will help you to access one particular network. Next is the local on-ramps, also known as last mile. This access road or media will help you to transmit your data and information. So, what happens is that the access providers may be differentiated in different categories, and based on that access providers, you can access different things such as telephone-based infrastructure, cable TV-based infrastructure, wireless infrastructure, and commercial online infrastructure. So you can see, this is telephone-based infrastructure. You can see from your home, you can connect it to anywhere like anywhere in the world. An example for this telecom-based infrastructure is that you can see the fiber cables which help you to access the Wi-Fi in your computers. And if you are taking a Wi-Fi connection at your home, that particular cable or fiber optic cable will come under this telephone or telecom-based infrastructure. Wi-Fi settings is one of the type of telecom-based infrastructure. Next is cable TV-based infrastructure. This will provide a popular media for pushing high-speed data to homes. Next is wireless infrastructure. This is typically a radio base that is cellular labor and specialized mobile radio base. By using wireless infrastructure, you can connect it to any part of the world, and it is providing so many applications and many infrastructure and equipment are provided in today's day. Next is global information distribution networks. It is a network which is providing the infrastructure for connecting across the countries and continents. It is like a long distance which is used for long distance.